Hey, so let's see, today we're doing a building project, and I have this tool shed that is surprisingly very large when you clean out all the junk that's in it, and we're going to try to make it a lot more efficient use of space. We have a bunch of different tubs for storage things, and we're going to build some shelves in here out of some of the lumber from the trees we've cut up. And so today's a creating things project, and we're gonna get to it here. So thanks for joining, and welcome to TWC Projects. All right, so great little shed. Love this thing. It's been fantastic. It was here when I bought the house, and I'm really grateful it was, because when I first got here I didn't have the barn at all, which I built since then, and the garage, which we've built as well. But this is a great little building, and really well made. It's about 15 feet deep, a little over 10 feet wide, and the ceiling's over 8 feet. The tip of my fingers reach about 8 feet, so just about 9 feet up at the peak. So great space, great storage room. And we're going to build in here a set of 24-inch, a couple different tiers at 24 inches high, 24 inches deep, which would be perfect for all the tubs and some of the other storage stuff that we have. We'll get this really well organized. In fact, 24 inches comes right to here perfectly, so it'll be a really nice setup, and we'll make good use of the boards we have. Probably gotta do some cleaning here, just a lot of junk still, but also going to build another shelf up here, at least one if not two up here as well, to have some more storage, and possibly, I don't know if I'm going to do it or not, but I might even build a little bit of an area up here for a section of it at least, to be able to put, poles and like pole saw and a bunch of different things that I have that are kind of long and awkward, stick them up there. So we'll see. But today we're at least going to get this side done, and maybe if I'm cruising along and I'm productive enough, we might actually clear this junk out of the other side and do that as well. So the wood we're going to end up using is actually these, I don't know what these are. I think these are oak boards here for the long ones. That'll be down at the end. And then this is all of that ambrosia maple, which kind of a shame. I mean, it's such beautiful wood. I mean, look at this. It's beautiful wood. But I had that cut up and ready and dry. It's been there last summer, I think I did it. So that should work well for those. And I have a bunch of 4x4s down there too. If when I get to the other side, I'll be able to take those and rip them into 2x4s and 1x4s. So we'll get more lumber out of that. But that's it. That's what we're doing. So let's get to it. All right, so I had to mill up a little bit more. I never have enough lumber. No matter what I think I'm going to use, I use a lot more. So cut up 4 more 2x4s and a bunch more 1x4s so that I have enough to do the other side too. And anyway, a little detour, but it didn't take too long. It's probably only like half an hour to do all this. So just got to get everything covered back up and get back up to the shed, get back to work. All right, so making progress. Per usual though, ran out of lumber. So went down to the sawmill and cut up some more just now. I think I got some footage of that, so you'll see that. And we're gonna get back to getting these, getting the shelving part now on the last post. And then I also cut up enough lumber, hopefully, to do the other side as well. So let's get back to it. All right, so Casey and I have gotten this piece done. He did a lot of the work while I filmed some of it, and then of course we did it together, but I want to thank him for helping me as always. He's an awesome helper. So we've got it in place, and I wanted you to kind of see what it looks like when it's done. This is the vision that was in my head, was to have organized with be able to put a lot of storage in here, and I like these clear tubs, and these open, you know, that you don't lose the tops of these ones. These are real nice too. Wish they made them in more sizes, but anyway, found those at Home Depot. In fact, I bought all of the rest of them up. I think there's more in the house, but they'll all fit. I've got plenty of room, so no need. I was planning to build another set on the other side, but I don't think I need to do that at this point. I still might build a shelf up there at some time, but that's a project for another day. So just a few critical things, not critical, but helpful things for you to know is these studs for this particular shed are 24 inches apart. So this opening from here to here is 24 inches, or excuse me, 48 inches, so 4 feet. And then the height I did at 25 inches and 25, so I'd have some clearance to slide things in. In fact, I think that one ended up being a little bit low, so it's a little tight. And what I wished I had done is flip this support piece onto the other side so that I would be able to get 3 across here. Right now, a third one on the top is going to pinch on this. This guy's going to be in the way, so that was a little mistake. I might flip that one to the other side, and same with the other one. But other than that, I'm very happy the way it turned out. Had to make a little more wood on the sawmill, but you saw that. And that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you as always for watching, and thank you for subscribing, hitting the bell to get notified when new ones come out, and giving a thumbs up if you like it. And comments, always, it's terrific. I get lots of comments and questions, and hopefully I try to answer all of them. So hopefully if you've asked anything, you've heard back from me very quickly. As always, thank you for watching me create things, fix things, and enjoy God's beautiful creation outside. And today is another one of those just beautiful days. I love it. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this, and until next time, have a fantastic week, and we'll see you on the next project.